Which explorer conquered the Inca Empire? Francisco Pizarro. Which US act in 1862 promoted westward expansion? Homestead Act. Which French colony fought a bloody war for independence from 1954 to 1962? Algeria. Which US president made the decision to drop atomic bombs in 1945? Harry S. Truman. What ancient civilization created the Code of Hammurabi? Babylonian. What year was the euro introduced as currency? In the year 1999. What was the secret alliance system that contributed to World War I? Triple Alliance and Triple Entente. What doctrine warned European powers against colonizing the Americas? Monroe Doctrine. What was the global pandemic following World War I? Spanish flu. What French military leader became emperor after the revolution? Napoleon Bonaparte. Who was the Ethiopian emperor overthrown in 1974? Haile Selassie. What term describes the political division between East and West during the Cold War? Iron Curtain. Who was the famous female pharaoh of ancient Egypt? Hatshepsut. Which document formally ended slavery in the US? 13th Amendment. What agreement in 1938 allowed Nazi Germany to annex parts of Czechoslovakia? Munich Agreement. Who was the first human to orbit Earth? Yuri Gagarin. Which African American woman refused to give up her seat on a bus? Rosa Parks. What name is given to the US economic collapse starting in 1929? Great Depression. What battle was the turning point of the Pacific War in World War II? Battle of Midway. What US plan aimed to contain communism in post-World War II Europe? Truman Doctrine. Which Prime Minister signed India's nuclear test order in 1974? Indira Gandhi. Who were the Axis powers in World War II? Germany, Italy, and Japan. What structure was built to protect China from invasions? The Great Wall of China. What was the Nazi extermination plan called? Final Solution. Who was the last Tsar of Russia? Nicholas II. What was the capital of the Byzantine Empire? Constantinople. Which ancient Greek philosopher taught Alexander the Great? Aristotle. Which medieval series of military campaigns were aimed at the Holy Land? Crusades. What battle marked the end of Napoleon's rule? Battle of Waterloo. What was the US Supreme Court decision that ended segregation in schools? Brown v. Board of Education. Who was the Roman general who became dictator and was assassinated? Julius Caesar. What was the 1960 initiative to remove racial barriers in the US? Civil Rights Movement. Who introduced glasnost and perestroika? Mikhail Gorbachev. Which war was fought between Iran and Iraq in the 1980? Iran-Iraq War. What was the name of the first permanent English colony in America? Jamestown. Which Asian conflict involved US troops from 1965 to 1973? Vietnam War. Which US president issued the Gettysburg Address? Abraham Lincoln. What ideology supports a classless, stateless society? Communism. Who led the Bolsheviks during the Russian Revolution? Vladimir Lenin. What movement in India promoted nonviolent resistance? Satyagraha. Which event symbolized the start of the Great Depression in 1929? Wall Street crash. Which world leader is associated with the policy of Iron Curtain? Winston Churchill. Which US program helped rebuild Europe after World War II? Marshall Plan. Who was the British monarch during World War I? King George V. Which French colony in Southeast Asia fought for independence after World War II? Vietnam. Who was the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean? Amelia Earhart. Which explorer led the first expedition around the world? Ferdinand Magellan. Who was the Italian physicist who built the first nuclear reactor? Enrico Fermi. What was the movement for equal rights by African Americans in the US called? Civil Rights Movement. What was the ideological struggle between the US and the USSR called? Cold War. What major event occurred on June 6, 1944? D-Day, Normandy landings. Who wrote the Declaration of Independence? Thomas Jefferson. Who was the architect of Nazi Germany's Holocaust policy? Heinrich Himmler. Which general led the US in the Pacific during World War II? Douglas MacArthur. What wall divided East and West Berlin during the Cold War? Berlin Wall. Which US president ended the Vietnam War? Richard Nixon. What was the name of Hitler's book? Mein Kampf. Who was the British Prime Minister during World War II? Winston Churchill. What agreement formed the basis for peace between Israel and Palestine in 1993? Oslo Accords. Which city was the capital of the Eastern Roman Empire? Constantinople. What Asian empire was known for its warrior class of samurai? Japanese Empire. What major empire ruled over most of India before the British? Mughal Empire. Which French general became emperor in the early 19th century? Napoleon Bonaparte. Who led the Protestant Reformation? Martin Luther. Who discovered penicillin in 1928? Alexander Fleming. What organization replaced the League of Nations? United Nations. Which African leader was imprisoned for 27 years? Nelson Mandela. What was the term for Stalin's prison labor camps? Gulags. Which two nations were superpowers during the Cold War? United States and Soviet Union. Who became Chancellor of Germany in 1933? Adolf Hitler. What was the ship that brought pilgrims to America in 1620? Mayflower. What term describes British colonial control in India? Raj. What doctrine warned Europe not to interfere in the Americas? Monroe Doctrine. Which war was fought between North and South Korea? Korean War. What was the US space program that landed men on the moon? Apollo program. What religious schism occurred in 1054? East-West Schism. Who was the British Queen during the Victorian era? Queen Victoria. Which battle marked the end of Muslim expansion into Europe in 732? Battle of Tours. What conflict occurred between Israel and Arab states in 1967? Six-Day War. Which US president ended legal segregation? Lyndon B. Johnson. Which treaty ended the Cold War arms race? INF Treaty. Who was the dictator of Libya for over 40 years? Muammar Gaddafi. What event began on July 28, 1914? World War I. What was the US strategy to prevent the spread of communism? Containment. Who was the first leader of the Soviet Union? Vladimir Lenin. What wall was constructed in 1961 to divide Berlin? Berlin Wall. What movement aimed to remove European influence from China? Boxer Rebellion. What African country gained independence under Kwame Nkrumah? Ghana. Which US civil rights activist refused to give up her bus seat in 1955? Rosa Parks. What country was the first to grant women the right to vote? New Zealand. Which explorer is credited with discovering America in 1492? Christopher Columbus. Who was the first Tsar of Russia? Ivan the Terrible. What was the period of intellectual growth in Europe during the 17th-18th century? Enlightenment. What city was the site of a major US terrorist attack on 9/11? New York City. What leader initiated the Great Leap Forward in China? Mao Zedong. Which German city hosted Nazi rallies and war crimes trials? Nuremberg. Which country initiated the Industrial Revolution? Great Britain. Who was the US president during World War I? Woodrow Wilson. What pact divided Eastern Europe between Germany and USSR in 1939? Molotov-Ribbentrop Pact. Which event involved the mass murder of European Jews? The Holocaust. Which war in the 1950s ended in a stalemate at the 38th parallel? Korean War. Which Indian leader promoted nonviolent resistance? Mahatma Gandhi. What was the first permanent English colony in North America? Jamestown. Who discovered the theory of general relativity? Albert Einstein. Who was the first female U.S. Supreme Court Justice? Sandra Day O'Connor. What event marked the beginning of the U.S. civil rights movement? Montgomery bus boycott. What political system did Karl Marx advocate? Communism. Who was assassinated in Sarajevo in 1914? Archduke Franz Ferdinand. What religious wars were fought over the Holy Land? Crusades. Who commanded Allied forces on D-Day? Dwight D. Eisenhower. What war ended with the signing of the Treaty of Paris in 1783? American Revolutionary War. What battle is considered Napoleon's greatest defeat? Battle of Waterloo. What was the U.S. economic crisis in 2008 called? Great Recession. Which empire was ruled by Tsars? Russian Empire. What country was known as the sick man of Europe? Ottoman Empire. What structure in China is visible from space? The Great Wall of China. Which US document begins with, "We the People"? Constitution of the United States. What was the Soviet policy of reform introduced in the 1980s? Perestroika. Who led the Indian National Congress during the independence movement? Jawaharlal Nehru. What revolution in 1789 overthrew the French monarchy? French Revolution. What ancient civilization built the pyramids? Egyptian civilization. Who led the United States during the Civil War? Abraham Lincoln. What political ideology did Benito Mussolini promote? Fascism. Who was the leader of Iraq during the Gulf War? Saddam Hussein. What was the global conflict from 1939 to 1945? World War II. Who was assassinated in 1963 in Dallas, Texas? John F. Kennedy. What was the name of the U.S. spy plane shot down over the USSR in 1960? U-2. Who led Yugoslavia during and after World War II? Josip Broz Tito. What is the name of the failed U.S. invasion of Cuba in 1961? Bay of Pigs invasion. What nation did the U.S. fight in the War of 1812? Great Britain. What political party did Adolf Hitler lead? Nazi Party. Who led South Africa out of apartheid? Nelson Mandela. Which country was formerly known as Persia? Iran. What island nation did the U.S. annex in 1898? Hawaii. Which dynasty followed the Tang in China? Song Dynasty. What was the name of the ship that sank in 1912 after hitting an iceberg? Titanic. Who was the founder of Islam? Prophet Muhammad. What British Prime Minister signed the Munich Agreement? Neville Chamberlain. Who invented the printing press? Johannes Gutenberg. Which war did the Treaty of Ghent end? War of 1812. What year did the Berlin Wall fall? In the year 1989. Who was the Roman god of war? Mars. What ancient city was buried by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius? Pompeii. Which US president was known for the New Deal? Franklin D. Roosevelt. What was the Roman Republic's legislative body called? Senate. What country gained independence from Britain in 1922 and became a republic in 1949? Ireland. What policy did the US adopt before entering both world wars? Isolationism. Who led Germany during World War I? Kaiser Wilhelm II. Who led the anti-apartheid African National Congress? Nelson Mandela. What is the term for extreme loyalty to one's nation? Nationalism. What famous speech declared, "I have a dream"? Martin Luther King Jr.'s speech. Who was the Soviet leader during the Afghan War? Ek no saath no, ek no aath no. Leonid Brezhnev. What is the name of the 95 criticisms Martin Luther nailed to the church door? 95 Theses. Who led the Protestant Reformation in Switzerland? Ulrich Zwingli. Which civilization built Machu Picchu? Inca. Who was the last emperor of Russia? Nicholas II. Which Enlightenment thinker proposed separation of powers? Montesquieu. What war was fought between the North and South in the US? Civil War. Which British scientist developed the theory of evolution? Charles Darwin. What major economic event happened in 1929? The Great Depression. Which empire was ruled by sultans? Ottoman Empire. What event is known as the short heard round the world? Battle of Lexington and Concord. Which religion spread through missionaries and trade in the Roman Empire? Christianity. Who succeeded Stalin as leader of the USSR? Nikita Khrushchev. Which country was divided into North and South in 1945? Korea. Which war was caused by US opposition to communism in Southeast Asia? Vietnam War. Which African country was founded by freed American slaves? Liberia. Who discovered America while searching for a route to India? Christopher Columbus. What major event occurred on October 24, 1929? Stock market crash. Which German physicist developed the theory of relativity? Albert Einstein. Who was the famous Carthaginian general during the Second Punic War? Hannibal. What empire ruled much of Europe before Napoleon's rise? Holy Roman Empire. Who was the revolutionary leader of Cuba? Fidel Castro. What was the philosophical movement emphasizing reason and individualism? The Enlightenment. Who was the American industrialist who revolutionized car production? Henry Ford. What 19th century conflict was fought over territory in North America? Mexican-American War. What was the US Supreme Court case that legalized segregation? Plessy v. Ferguson. What was the meeting of European powers to divide Africa called? Berlin Conference. Who was the leader of the nationalist movement in India? Mahatma Gandhi. What was the first country to launch a satellite into space? Soviet Union. Who was the Egyptian queen who allied with Julius Caesar? Cleopatra. What US naval base was attacked in 1941? Pearl Harbor. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong. What period followed the collapse of the Roman Empire in Europe? The Middle Ages. Which battle halted the Mongol invasion of Europe in 1242? Battle of Mohi. Who founded the Maurya Empire in ancient India? Chandragupta Maurya. What US president served 4 terms? Franklin D. Roosevelt. Who was the famous German composer of the Ninth Symphony? Ludwig van Beethoven. What US doctrine opposed European colonialism in the Americas? Monroe Doctrine. Which philosopher argued for a social contract and general will? Jean-Jacques Rousseau. Which British law in 1765 angered American colonists? Stamp Act. What military strategy used by Germany in World War II means? Lightning War. Blitzkrieg. What treaty ended the American Revolutionary War? Treaty of Paris, 1783. Who was the first Roman emperor? Augustus Caesar. What US project developed the first nuclear weapons? Manhattan Project. Which early 20th century event led to the collapse of monarchies in Europe? World War I. Who led the Chinese Communist Party to victory in 1949? Mao Zedong. What was the capital of the Western Roman Empire? Rome. What system divided Europe into armed alliances before World War I? Alliance system. Which explorer reached India by sea in 1498? Vasco da Gama. Who was the president of the Confederate States during the US Civil War? Jefferson Davis. Which global conflict saw trench warfare on the Western Front? World War I. Which philosopher is considered the father of modern political science? Niccolo Machiavelli. What was the name of the plague that devastated Europe in the 14th century? Black Death. Which battle in 1066 changed English history? Battle of Hastings. Who was the first female Prime Minister of the United Kingdom? Margaret Thatcher. Which event in 1517 sparked the Protestant Reformation? Martin Luther's 95 Theses. What is the period of rebirth of art and learning in Europe called? Renaissance. Who led the Haitian independence movement against France? Toussaint Louverture. What 20th century war began with North Korea invading the South? Korean War. What was the first civilization to develop writing? Sumerians. Which US president abolished slavery? Abraham Lincoln. What Chinese philosophy emphasizes harmony with nature? Taoism. What was the capital of the Inca Empire? Cusco. Which US agency investigates internal government espionage? FBI. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the United States? France. What war followed the secession of 11 southern states in the US? American Civil War. Which ancient people created a 365-day calendar? Mayans. What was the name of the policy to keep communism from spreading? Containment. Who was the British king during the American Revolution? King George III. What revolution replaced the monarchy in France with a republic? French Revolution. Which treaty formally ended the Cold War arms race? START Treaty. Who led the US civil rights movement in the 1960s? Martin Luther King Jr. What was the name of Germany's plan to avoid a two-front war in World War I? Schlieffen Plan. What series of events in 1848 swept across Europe demanding reform? Revolutions of 1848. Who led the independence movement in South America? Simon Bolivar. What was the name of Hitler's secret police? Gestapo. What was the Berlin airlift a response to? Soviet blockade of West Berlin. Which empire fell in 1453 when the Ottomans captured Constantinople? Byzantine Empire. What movement sought to abolish slavery in the 19th century? Abolitionist movement. What French military leader sold the Louisiana Territory to the US? Napoleon Bonaparte. What was the name of the Nazi plan to invade the Soviet Union? Operation Barbarossa. What Cold War conflict lasted from 1955 to 1975? Vietnam War. What meeting in 1945 shaped post-World War II Europe? Yalta Conference. What religious conflict occurred in 17th century Europe? 30 Years' War. What was the dominant political system in medieval Europe? Feudalism. Who invented the light bulb? Thomas Edison. What ancient empire built an extensive network of roads? Roman Empire. Who was the British nurse who revolutionized healthcare during the Crimean War? Florence Nightingale. What African empire was ruled by Mansa Musa? Mali Empire. Which treaty ended the Napoleonic Wars? Treaty of Paris, 1815. Who was the King of France executed during the French Revolution? Louis XVI. Which country was divided into 4 zones after World War II? Germany. What is the term for mass killing of a group based on ethnicity or religion? Genocide. Who led the Chinese nationalist forces before fleeing to Taiwan? Chiang Kai-shek. What was the global movement for women's suffrage? Women's rights movement. Who was the last pharaoh of Egypt? Cleopatra. What European political ideology emphasized individual rights and democracy? Liberalism. What US space shuttle disaster occurred in 1986? Challenger explosion. What was the 19th century belief that the US was destined to expand westward? Manifest Destiny. What global organization was formed in 1945 to promote peace? United Nations. What was the Russian parliament called after the 1905 revolution? Duma. What empire was known for its use of elephants in battle? Maurya Empire. Who was the Enlightenment thinker who wrote 2 treatises of government? John Locke. What war did the Treaty of Versailles end? World War I. Who was the main author of the US Constitution? James Madison. What was the name of the Nazi war crime trials? Nuremberg trials. Which Japanese city was the second to be hit by an atomic bomb? Nagasaki. What US project aimed to stop the spread of communism in Latin America? Alliance for Progress. What empire used a complex system of roads in the Andes Mountains? Inca Empire. Who was the Prime Minister of Britain during the Falklands War? Margaret Thatcher. What nation was formed in 1948 as a homeland for Jews? Israel. What rebellion occurred in China against foreign influence in 1900? Boxer Rebellion. What structure connected the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans in 1914? Panama Canal. Who commanded the British forces at the Battle of El Alamein? Bernard Montgomery. What was the Soviet response to NATO? Warsaw Pact. What island did the US take from Spain in 1898? Philippines. What was the Roman name for France? Gaul. What battle marked Napoleon's final defeat? Battle of Waterloo. What world conflict saw the first use of tanks and poison gas? World War I. Who was assassinated in 1948 after calling for Hindu-Muslim unity? Mahatma Gandhi. Who was the Viking explorer believed to have reached North America? Leif Erikson. Which political ideology believes in a stateless, classless society? Communism. Who painted The Last Supper? Leonardo da Vinci. What early civilization was located in present-day Iraq? Mesopotamia. Which treaty created the League of Nations? Treaty of Versailles. Who was the famous Queen of England who defeated the Spanish Armada? Queen Elizabeth I. What conflict in 1967 resulted in Israel's territorial expansion? Six-Day War. What was the name of the U.S. policy to support anti-communist movements worldwide? Reagan Doctrine. Who invented the steam engine that powered the Industrial Revolution? James Watt. Which empire was led by Genghis Khan? Mongol Empire. What 1930 event led to widespread unemployment worldwide? The Great Depression. What African country was never colonized by a European power? Ethiopia. Who was the ruler of the Aztec Empire when the Spanish arrived? Montezuma II. Which U.S. president initiated the interstate highway system? Dwight D. Eisenhower. What revolution began with the storming of the Bastille? French Revolution. Who led the Roundheads during the English Civil War? Oliver Cromwell. What international organization replaced the League of Nations? United Nations. What event marked the beginning of the space age? Launch of Sputnik. Which U.S. president made the Louisiana Purchase? Thomas Jefferson. What was the last major battle of the American Revolutionary War? Battle of Yorktown. Which civilization created cuneiform writing? Sumerians. What African empire built the city of Timbuktu? Mali Empire. What famous U.S. document was signed in 1776? Declaration of Independence. What battle in 1815 ended Napoleon's rule? Battle of Waterloo. What U.S. naval base was attacked by Japan in 1941? Pearl Harbor. Which explorer completed the first circumnavigation of the globe? Ferdinand Magellan. What war was fought between France and England from 1337 to 1453? 100 Years' War. Who was the famous leader of the Zulu kingdom? Saka Zulu. What ancient code of laws was inscribed on a stone stele? Code of Hammurabi.